Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the Kiwi dollar, and really a lot of the dollar pairs definitely did make a very nice push to the downside, but we cannot deny that the daily, weekly, and monthly is still up. So we have to kind of assume that anything we see to the downside could still be a correction. We have our Fibonacci retracement on the last 5 waves up, which is a very nice 5 wave impulsive move. This move down right here could be a pullback to those 5 waves. So if we get a Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside at either one of these Fib levels, then you definitely could take it as another long opportunity for sure. Now, looking at the dollar index, I do think it would make sense for the dollar to push up harder. And if the dollar does push up harder, this could go down and give us a break of structure. If price goes down and breaks this low right here, that's what's going to turn my daily time frame from being up to being down. And if that happens, then that definitely will turn me into more of a long-term seller. But as of right now, since that has not happened yet, I am definitely still keeping an eye on my Fibonacci retracement levels for possible long opportunities. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.